Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can customize your Redmi 15C 4G home screen. There are a few options for moving stuff around on your home screen. To customize your home screen, you can of course tap and drag an app along to change its location. If you don't want to drag the apps individually, but you want them all to align back to, just the top of the screen, what you can do is tap and hold on an empty space and then shake your phone a bit. This will cause all of your apps to just align up. If you want to remove an app from your home screen, you can again tap and hold. You can press on the apps you don't want to be there. Let's say the cleaner, the game center, and me video, and then you can tap on this button to remove them from the home screen, which might prompt you with some removals. This will of course align your apps too. If you don't want apps to be aligning after uninstalling some random app, you can turn off fill cells of uninstalled apps, and this should, as an example, let's remove themes, and this should of course stop the apps from aligning into its space. If you want to remove a widget, you can of course do the same, just swipe it up into the removal. If you want to add a new widget, tap on this icon right here, widgets, and you can just pick a widget that you would like added. Let's say music. You can of course drag it along, click done when you are done. If you want to add new apps, you can tap on here, and actually it would be the app drawer. I believe you can just swipe from the bottom to the top, but if this shows you something else, you can swipe left to be on this screen. If this still doesn't work, try going into settings, and in settings, in home screen, you can change the home screen to, instead of classic, to with app drawer. This will cause the home screen to instead, when you swipe from the bottom to the top, enter the app drawer, which will allow you to tap and hold an app and put it anywhere you like on your home screen. Alternatively, if you don't want to change it to this option, you can stay with classic and simply change the -1 screen to App Vault instead of Google Discover. This will put you with this, where you can look at all these different apps, tap and hold them, I believe, or it might be impossible actually with this one. So to add new apps, you might have to consider doing that. Otherwise, you could also try, but if you want to use the classic home screen, you can also add apps by looking here and making sure App Finder is enabled with swipe down on the home screen. This way, when you swipe down on home screen, like such, it will enable the App Finder where you can find whatever app you would want. Let's say themes, which might allow you to enter the app, though as you can see it might not allow you still to add it to the home screen, unfortunately. So that might be a thing you want to take account of. On the home screen you can tap and hold and enter effects to, for example, enable the blur effect on the background to make it blurry, so maybe it's not distracting you or anything like that. Another thing you can try doing with the home screen is in home screen settings, changing the amount of icons that will be visible there. For example, make it 4x6, 4x7 or 5x9. And there's also another option, which is the -1 screen. Is the screen you see when you are on the first one. This is, you could say, the number 0. So going here is going to -1. You could call it that. So as you can see, you can choose between upvote, Google Discover, as well as none if you don't like it happening at all. You can change what happens when you swipe up on the home screen. For example, the content center or the search. It's this here. This is the content center. And this is search, which will just start searching like with Google, you know. Another thing you can change is, of course, well, showing memory status right here, how much memory is left. And to change how icons look, you could try going into settings again, here into personalization, and then tapping on icons, which will let you change their background color from default to, let's say, blue. As you can see, many icons now have their background colors changed. You can change it again to, let's say, green, and many other. If you don't like it, you can change it back to default. Another thing with the home screen you could try customizing is the wallpaper, which you can do by tapping and holding and choosing wallpaper here, which will allow you to look at wallpapers in the Xiaomi themes. You can see here, you can choose whichever one you like. There could be an option for looking into your own photos, but you can tap on any one of them and then choose whether you want it as just a lock screen, just a home screen, or both. Let's say just a home screen. Afterwards, as you can see, it might take a while to load, but you'll be back here with a new wallpaper. Again, you can enable blur or not. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.